Are you tired with your email inbox getting out of control? Welcome to Digital Answer-based YouTube channel. In this video today, we'll be reviewing Fyxer.ai. Fyxer.ai is a AI executive assistant. It claims that it can get you back 1 hour every single day, beginning with emails, neatly organizing it, and replying crafty emails to match your tone and crisp notes from every single meeting. Let's just jump into it and review this little AI tool, which is amazingly very powerful apparently. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and we will jump into my inbox and you can just see how it looks and you can look for yourself. Let's just go down here. It's quite a neat way, the way it's organized. So once you basically sign up to a free trial, you can actually see the different, it breaks it down in different folders, okay? In a emails that you need to respond, therefore a very important FYI, basically it would explain every single thing next to it, what it stands for. The next thing is email signatures that you can enable, very simple, quite neatly. You can invite your team members if they're also on Fyxer.ai. Fyxer works the best when your whole team uses it. So basically, the AI can actually learn about how you communicate and obviously then just get the best emails drafted for you. So let's just jump into my inbox. This is my inbox. So as soon as you sign up to Fyxer.ai on the free trial, it will basically put notes next to it and just sort everything out for you. See, as we already checked it, so the response section, basically the response are basically things that you need to respond to ASAP, and then also the FYI and the very important things. The good thing is you can also move things around. So once you move things around, Fyxer will then obviously get to know you much better than the comments, the notifications, the meeting updates. We'll go in more depth later on in the video about meeting updates, because what you can do with Fyxer.ai, you can allow it to access your meetings, take notes, and then once the meeting has finished, it will draft a email up with a quick summary of what the actual meeting was about. So then what you can do is obviously quickly review it and then send it back over to the people that you had a meeting with. And then here, all the awaiting replies and the actioned. So what it does is it organizes everything quite neatly for you in your inbox. So let's just jump into the backend of Fyxer.ai. So let's say you have a meeting scheduled. So you can go to the meeting section, meeting note taker. As you can see already, as it's connected to my Gmail account, and you can connect it to, it seamlessly interacts between Gmail and Outlook very seamlessly. So as you can see straight away, you can see the meeting that I set up. So what Fyxer.ai will do at that point, it will join the meeting and take all the notes for me and get the email drafted up for myself. So I can then obviously review it. And once I've reviewed it, I can then send off straight away. Here you can see all the call recordings that you had. As you can see, I've got 3 days left on my trial. On the settings, it's got all the notes that you got enabled here. Email categorization, that's enabled, so I can remove it also. So some people don't like it, so you can literally do without. So you can remove it here, and then obviously enable it here. And then what you can do also individually, you can enable the ones that you want, okay? And email rules. And the good thing about it is you can actually create your own rules, and those rules that you can obviously set for yourself, so you can customize it to your own way of doing things. And then obviously here you can obviously have alternative emails. Integration, we can integrate with Zoom and all the other different programs and CRMs. And then you got billing, and then your team, you got billing here. So the standard package, the pro package, enterprise, and then you got your team. You can add your team members and the organization, which one you want. You can have multiple organizations. So just, is it worth the hype? Yeah, look, it does what it says it does. Do you save an hour a day? Again, that's questionable. But then again, you'll have to use it for yourself and figure out and make your own, see how it works for yourself. In this whole world of automatization, everything is being automated. This can help you save a lot of time. Who knows? Again, I've not measured it in that way. Also, I can't see anything here saying that it supports different languages. The only thing that I can think of, it just only supports English. Also, it only does online meetings from what I can see. So it doesn't have an option where it records offline meetings. So something to be aware of. And in terms of security, they don't use your data to train LLMs, different ChatGPT or OpenAI or any other massive LLM. Major businesses actually using it. Here you can see a lot of businesses are using solopreneurs and other companies are using it. So here, the frequent asked question: Will my inbox go back to normal if I don't like the product? And the answer is yes. And how can I get my email signature included into draft? It just shows you. You just need to copy it. And this is the answer. Can Fyxer.ai send emails on my behalf? Fyxer.ai can't send emails on your behalf. It's impossible to do only draft emails, so that's what they're doing. Which video meetings will I join? You can decide Fyxer.ai else to join only those that you host in. So just make sure that the ones that you host in, and you have a video meeting, ask John to be the meeting, take notes. The meeting host will need to let it in. Again, that's how it works. I just take a moment. When will a draft be written? Any emails to the response folder will be in the response folder. So basically, it will be in. Let's have a look in the response folder. So in the action, yeah. So yeah, to respond. So basically, it will come into here. So come into here, and then all the drafts will be stored here in the response folder. Number one. Good. What if I already have a system to organize my emails? So if you have a system, then use the system that you like. Very simple. So yeah, and the other thing, how does the calendar feature work? So again, the calendar feature is integrated. It's connected to Fyxer.ai. Now, why should I get it for my team? So again, read through it here, and you can always give them a call. And what about security is the most important things. Fyxer has been verified by designated third-party security, and these are the ones that they have been verified by. And just the main important thing, your emails are never used to train general AI models. So again, they're not trained, but however, they are using to train. From what I can see, is they trained. The more you use Fyxer.ai, the more it kind of tailors towards yourself. They're kind of training their own AI in order to help you draft better emails. Okay, and then you can see the company, the legal terms and conditions, terms of use, contact, and then the people behind Fyxer people. So this is how you can get in contact with them. So yeah, this is Fyxer.ai. So again, a really neat app that you can use. Doesn't stick up to their claim of save 1 hour a day. Does it help to reduce a lot of stress and anxiety when you see to organize everything for you? Yeah, it does. So I've been using it for the last couple of days, and it has organized everything for me. So I don't really have to look at my main inbox. I can quickly look there and just see what I need to reply to and what I need to do. So it helps you that way. Thank you very much for watching this quick review on Fyxer. Try it out, see it for yourself, see how you find it. Oh, last thing I need to check out is the pricing. So here you go. This is the pricing. It's free trial to check it out. And once you basically are happy with it, you can actually try it for $28. And if you are an enterprise, from what I can see, they focus a lot on enterprises. They can have bespoke prices. You can just contact them directly for bespoke prices. Again, thank you very much for watching this. Try it out, see it for yourself, and maybe it's something that you were missing in your business, in your flow, and it might save you hours and hours. But again, just trial it And if you're happy with it, then go for it. Please like this video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section. We produce a lot of review videos, side hustle videos, and videos to help you get started online. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and speak to you soon.